perjury yan. He was suggesting, the mere suggestion of what he wants you to do is already a crime. Under the revised penal code, yung inuudyok mo yung tao na mag-execute ng affidavit falsely or making a false narrative, sovereign of perjury.
Yes, that's a crime under the
Yes.
revised penal code.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sige sir, because okay, we are operating under time constraints. So sabi ko kanina hanggang 3 o'clock lang tayo. But sige, but
Quick,
can we,
gusto ko lang habulin yung classmate mo. Ayun kong